Right guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different. Tell them what we're doing today, Dad.
We're going to try and mend a pixel chick that you were sent in the post from Italy.
Oh, and no. So basically, this house is a special edition coloured house from Amazon I got. And it's Italian, so I was really excited for this because it's a new language I haven't learned, and you can see it's not working because what was the problem with it?
Well, when they made these, they sold them with the batteries inside, and because it's not been made for so many years and it was in the original packaging, the battery acid destroyed one of the spring coils, so the connection wasn't there for the power.
Alright guys, let's get into the video and fix this pixel chick.
Step one.
Yes?
Step one of any job is what? What am I going to say?
What?
What's step one of having a job, doing any job?
Undo the battery thing at the bottom, I think.
No. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Step one of any job is
Tea.
have a cup of tea ready.
Here we go, guys. And you wonder what I'm filming this on my phone. And I'm hoping to get a new iPhone for my birthday as well, guys. P.S. I'm not bragging in any sort of way.
There's the broken spring.
See, there's a little spring, and this is what we're going to try and do to fix
So
it.
you've got a spring here, spring there, but this spring
Springless.
was corroded because the acid dissolved it. And there is the spring that's all fallen off. You put him over there.
Yep. Hello, little spring. Boing.
So now we've got to try and see if we can remove this part here and replace it with one with a spring.
I don't know how he's going to do it, guys, but if he does it, I'll be over the moon.
So I don't know how.
What's the next bit?
Struggling to get this screw out, it won't come out. So my theory is that we can pull it out with a magnet. So by magnetising the whole...
If any of you scientists are watching this, this is an experiment for you. If you get struggling to get a screw out of any of these toys.
I can feel it pulling, but it's not happening.
Oh. If it does work, then I'm going to be amazed. Don't give in. Don't give in, boy. Come on, come on. Fix it.
The theory is, if you point here, you should be able to do that.
Yep, because any metal will go onto it, guys. Come on, Dad, you got this.
I can hear it's loose.
Come on, Dad, you got this.
Okay, let's come back to that one.
Right, guys, so here's where we're at right now, and these little bits of the toys just come off. Don't worry, they'll come back on in a second. Turn it off on the iPad. Thank you. And I still can't get this screw out, and Daddy's trying really hard. Aren't you, Dad?
Yep.
Come on, you silly old screw, get out! Guys, it's mended!
It's mended. We couldn't get it open.
Go on, better. It's mended!
It
Mended! Harmony of hell.
couldn't get it open.
I mean,
So
harmony of heaven,
we couldn't get it open, so we had to find a different way.
And I'm having a little project box night as well, guys.
We had to stretch the last tiny bit of the spring because we didn't want to break it.
This, Daddy, is amazing. Here we go. It's Italian, listen. Amazing. See you guys in the next. I'll see you guys in the next video then. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you, Dad, so much.